sum of n terms of an AP. So here, that is AP stands for here arithmetic progression. So here we are going to find out the sum of the n terms of the arithmetic progression, that too in an advanced level. So here we are going to suppose the sum of n terms by means of Sn, but we know that general form of an AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on up to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here gen form, that is the general form of an arithmetic progression, so here which is denoted by means of AP is a plus d, that is 1d, a plus 2d, the coefficient of d is of 2, a plus 3d is the fourth term, 1 less, that is 4 minus 1 is of 3d. So here a plus 4d will be the fifth term, 5 minus 1 is of 4d, then that is, and so on. So here nth term will be of 1 less, that is n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term of the arithmetic progression. So here T1, that is the first term is of a, the second term is of a plus d, the third term is of a plus 2d, that is 3 minus 1 is of 2, fourth term is of a plus 3d, that is 4 minus 1 is of 3d, fifth term so is of 5 minus 1, it is of 4d, that is a plus 4d. Similarly nth term 1 less, that is n minus 1, that is a plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term, that or the general term of an arithmetic progression. So here this gives the arithmetic progression or AP. So in this manner we wrote the general form of an arithmetic progression. Then now let us write the sum of n terms of an AP. So here sum indicates the addition of all the n terms of the AP, that is arithmetic progression. So here just we have to add up all the terms of an AP of the general form. So here we will be getting it as first term is of a, so here we have to find out the sum, so plus the second term is of a plus d, let us write within the bracket, then now plus the third term is of a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus and so on, and the nth term will be of a plus n minus 1 into d. So here bracket close. Now let us suppose this sum of n terms of an AP as S of n, then S of n will be equals to a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus dash dash plus a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this manner we are going to suppose, so here let sum of n terms of an AP be S of n. So here then we have S of n is equals to sum of n terms is equals to first term is of a plus second term is of a plus d plus third term is of a plus 2d and the fourth term is of a plus 3d and so on plus dash dash plus nth term will be of a plus n minus 1 into d. The same equation can also be written as, so here sum of n terms is equals to the last term, that is the nth term is of a plus n minus 1 into d, the fourth term is of a plus 3d, the third term is of a plus 2d, the second term is of a plus 1d, so here first term is of a plus 0d. So here I am going to write the same, so here in this manner the last term as the first term, so here bracket a plus n minus 1 into d plus, say here plus dash dash, so here a plus 3d plus a plus 2d plus a plus d plus the first term as a. Then now, so let us suppose, so S of n is equals to a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus dash dash plus a plus n minus 1 into d as the first equation. Then let us suppose the second one as the second equation. Then now from 1 plus 2 equations, so first one is of S of n is equals to, the first one is of a plus the second term is of a plus 1d plus the third term is of a plus 2d plus fourth term is of a plus 3d plus dash dash. So nth term is of a plus n minus 1, 1 less n minus 1, then before this term it will be of t n minus 1. So this is of fourth term, 4 minus 1 is of third, the preceding term. So here the preceding term will be of a plus, so here this is of nth term, then the preceding will be of t, 4 minus 1 is of 3, so it will be of n minus 1 term, t n minus 1, then the nth term will be of a plus n minus 1, so here 3 minus 1 is of 2, so it is of n minus 1, then this will be of n minus 2, then the preceding term will be of n minus 3 and so on. So it is of n minus 2 into d. So here, then here we will be getting it as, so a plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term, so this is of the nth term. The next term will be of the t n minus 1th term, which is the a plus n minus 1, then the next preceding will be of n minus 2, so here n minus 2 into d bracket close, then dash dash plus dash dash plus, so a plus 3d. So here a plus 3d will be of the fourth term, then the preceding will be of the second term, then a plus 1d is of first term, so this is of third term, a plus 2d is of third term, so a plus 1d is of second term, then a plus 0d is of the first term. Then now, so dash dash a plus 3d plus dash dash, then now here it is of plus a plus n minus 1, a plus n minus 2 into d bracket close plus a plus n minus 1 into d bracket close. Then now here this is of the first equation. Then the next equation is of S of n is equals to, this is the second equation, whereas in the second equation the first term is of a plus n minus 1 into d bracket close plus next term is of a plus n minus 2 into d plus dash dash. So here the last term is of a plus 3d, it is the fourth term, then the third term will be of plus a plus 2d, then the second term will be of a plus 1d, then the first term will be of plus a, which is nothing but the second equation. So here by adding up these two equations, so here we will be getting as, so here the coefficient of Sn is of 1, here the coefficient of Sn is of 1, there are of, by adding up, so here we will be getting 2 SNS, so 2 times to that of Sn, sum of n terms is equals to, by adding up the first terms, the first term of the first equation and the first term of the second equation, 1a plus 1a will be of 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket close plus, so by adding the second terms, so here a plus d and here a plus n minus 2 into d, so here a plus a is of 2a within the bracket plus 1d plus n minus 2 into d plus d plus n minus 2 into d plus dash dash, then the last term is of a plus n minus 1 into d and here last term is of a plus a is of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then now the next logical step will be of 2 into Sn, so this is of the addition of the two equations, that is first equation and as well as the second equation, so we got this logical step. Then now 2 into Sn as the 2Sn in the next logical step, so that implies is equals to, so here the first term is of 2a plus n minus 1 into d then plus in the second term 2a plus 1d plus 2a plus 1d plus n minus 2 into d, 2a plus 1d plus n minus 2 into d, then now plus dash dash, then the last term, that is the nth term, is of 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the last term. As per the previous logical step, the last term is of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then now, so that implies first term is of 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus within the second flower brackets. So first term is of 2a plus 1 into d is of 1d. So here let us multiply each and every term that is within the bracket n minus 2 with d into n and d into 2. So here d into n is of nd plus nd plus n into d is as plus nd, then plus into minus is of minus 2 into d is of 2d, bracket close, then now plus dash dash plus nth term is of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Since this is of n, so here there are of n terms added up. Then now the next logical step will be of the first term will be of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, bracket close, plus the next logical step will be of 2a plus nd plus 1d. So here 2d and as well as 1d are the like terms. So let us simplify those two. So here plus into minus is of minus. Let us subtract greater minus least, that is 2 minus 1 is of 1d. So here to assess the sign here, 2 is greater than 1, so 2 sign is of negative, so here it assesses the sign of negative, bracket close, plus dash dash. Then the last term, that is the nth term, is of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that implies first term is of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, bracket close, then now plus. So 2a plus among second and third terms, I want to take here d as common. When d is taken out as common, just plus n is left over, plus n. Then now d is taken out as common, just minus 1 is left over within the bracket. So here bracket close plus dash dash, the nth term will be of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here this is of the first term, then this is the second term. Similarly, dash dash, there are of n terms added up. So here therefore 2 times Sn, 2 into Sn is equals to, for instance, 1 plus 1 will be of 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be of 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1 dash dash up to n is equals to n times, or n number of times will be equals to n. So here based upon this principle, so here we are going to, so here these brackets are added up, so here plus indicates the addition, when these two brackets are added up. So here it is of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and this is of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. There are of like terms in each and every term. So here 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is of 2 times to that of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, but n times it is added up. So here n times this bracket, so here 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because n number of times it is added up, the same bracket is added up, the similar bracket is added up n number of times. So here therefore n into the same bracket. Then now let us transpose into 2 on the over the right hand side, multiplication becomes division on the other hand. So here into 2 on the other hand becomes divided by 2, so we will be getting n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d as Sn. So here therefore Sn is equals to, so that implies Sn is equals to, by transposing 2 on the other hand we will be getting n by 2, so into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we got this logical step by transposing, that is left hand side term, so here LHS term over to RHS. So in this manner I got, so a sum of n terms is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula for finding the sum of n terms, which is nothing but sum of n terms, that is denoted by means of Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, whereas a is the first term and whereas d is the common difference. So here whereas a is the first term of the given arithmetic progression which is denoted by t1, and whereas d is nothing but the common difference. So here whereas d is equals to tn minus tn minus 1 is the general formula for finding the common difference, or in other words, so here we can write it as d is equals to either t2 minus t1 or t3 minus t2. So it is common throughout, the difference will be common throughout the series or the sequence.